management is geared towards achieving a green area index of 3.5, so a canopy size of that 3.5 green area index by flowering. Overly large canopies have a number of problems. The main one is that there's too many flowers at flowering, so they reflect a lot of the light, which can result in low seed set and poor seed fill, and it can also increase your lodging risk. Identifying crops which need managing, the green area index is the metre squared of green biomass per metre squared of ground. And there's usually a wide variation in canopy size from between fields. The best time to manage green area index is in February, before the start of stem extension. You can do it by a number of different methods. Probably the simplest is going out and taking a photo. You can either upload this or you can upload it using an app, or you can do it online. If you've got a really large green area index of over 2.5, you can go out and cut to metre squared of biomass, weigh it and times it by 0.8 to get your green area index. So you're really targeting that green area index of 3.5 at flowering. It takes 50 kilograms of nitrogen to make one green area index unit. So you want 175 kilograms of nitrogen in the crop by flowering. Fertiliser N efficiency is taken up with about 60%, whereas soil N is taken up with 100% efficiency. In general, if you've got a large canopy, you want to delay your nitrogen and put on a little bit less. If your green area index is 1 or above, you want to think about managing your canopy size. And that's the threshold at which PGRs are likely to have a positive effect on yield. PGRs such as Carex are highly effective for reducing the size of your canopy and can increase your yield.
It's cost effective to use Carex if your crop exceeds the economic threshold of a GAI of 0.8 measured prior to stem extension. Carex can be applied any time from the start of stem extension to yellow bud. If your GAI is between 0.8 and 2, then you should apply Carex at between 0.7 and 1 litre per hectare. If your GAI is more than 2, apply Carex at 1 to 1.4 litres per hectare. In both cases, use the higher rate if you have tall varieties or fertile sites. If like leaf spot is active, add tebuconazole at 0.5 litres per hectare, and at this rate Teb will not really have much PGR effect.
BASF. We create chemistry.